Video instruction for two-station package machine. After installing the upper mold and tightening the screws, insert the lower mold. Switch it to manual mode. Rotate the mold to below the operating position, then click manual down. Check whether the upper and lower holes are aligned. After inserting, lock it tight. Then raise it up and adjust the next mold. After the mold is locked and positioned, loosen and remove the guide pin screws. After removing the guide pins, press the upper die down onto the lower mold. Adjust downward until the copper part contacts the bottom. Lock it tight. Then place the product inside, turn on the high-frequency switch, and switch to automatic mode. The descent time is generally set to 1.5 seconds, welding time to seconds, setting time 1 second, and ascent time 1 second. Adjust the current level here. The trigger current is about 2 amps. Slowly adjust it up to 3, and check the result. It didn't seal properly. The current is too low. Turn it up a bit more. Gradually increase the current little by little until the result is satisfactory.